History time! Welcome to this video. So we're gonna talk about the history of political dynasty. Let's break down the history of political dynasty in the Philippines. Pre-colonial Datu system. Sa panahon pa lang ng mga Datu, meron ng early version ng dynasty. Ang Datu, ang leader ng barangay, may authority, may wealth, at may followers. At may power. At ito ay namamana. Kung anak ka ng Datu, malaki ang chance na ikaw na ang susunod na mamumuno. Kaya kahit walang eleksyon noon, may mini-dynasty vibe na. Spanish era. Pagdating ng mga Kastila, mas lumakas ang idea ng powerful families. They created the Principalia, ang bagong VIP class composed of local elites, former datus, and influential families. Sila ang nagiging gobernador silo, kabesa de barangay, etc. Basically, sila ang nasa political economic power. At syempre, power stayed within families. If mayaman ka, educated, at close sa Spanish leaders, mas madaling makakuha ng posisyon. Tatakot tayo sa the rise of mestizo class. Kasabay nito, umangkat din ang mestizo class. Spanish mestizos and Chinese mestizos na may negosyo at lupa. Since mayaman sila, nag-influential din sila politically. Wealth plus power equals to more access to government positions. American period. Pagdating ng mga Amerikano, sinabi nila, "Let's bring democracy." Sounds good, right? Pero ang nangyari, mga mayayamang pamilya, prinsipalya at mestizo ang nakakuha ng akses sa bagong political system. Sila lang kasi ang may edukasyon, pera at koneksyon para tumakbo sa eleksyon. So kahit may democracy on paper, elite families pa rin ang nanalo. At dahil doon, nagkaroon tayo ng patronage politics. After independence, napalakas palalo ang dynasty dahil sa patronage politics. Ito yung sistema ng palakasan, utang na loob, pabor-pabor. Kung mayaman ang pamilya mo, kaya mong magbigay ng ayuda, scholarships o trabaho. In return, yung boto nila sa'yo. Modern times. Ngayon, mas visible na. May mga pamilya na ilang dekada nang hawak ang city, province, or district. Minsan lahat, governor, mayor, congressman, vice mayor, councilor, na para bang group project pero buong LGU. So, ayan, political dynasty aren't just a political issue. They are a historical system na umusbong hundreds of years ng inequality, elite rule, patronage at loopholes. Understanding the history help us understand the present. And the more we learn the past, the more we can question the future. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video.